Greetings, Benjamin J. from BENZTRAINZ with another in the series. Well, here's something that's completely different. Too cold and rainy to do anything today, so I stayed in and did some quick experiments making rolling stock out of junk. So here we have a cardboard mailing tube, and it had plastic inserts on either end. So I poked 2 holes in it and mounted trucks on it, as you see. I've got it lightly sprayed black. Just wanted to see what this was going to look like. Anyway, it just goes to prove that you can make a rolling stock out of almost anything. So this is just a cardboard tube with 2 plastic ends in it, actually a mailing tube. And it's on the rail and running, as you can see. So I thought it was interesting. Anyway, I'm thinking of making some flat cars. So I just wanted to experiment with putting trucks on stuff that I had around here in the shop. As you see, this works. It's kind of ungainly. It's really big. What it would actually be, I have no idea. But like I said, it's just a cardboard mailing tube. And I got it lightly sprayed with black paint. And I just poked 2 holes through the cardboard and mounted 2 trucks on it using the paper joiner. So this actually worked really well. So it gives you a chance to experiment as far as making rolling stock out of stuff you got sitting around in your train room. Anyway, like I said, I'm going to be experimenting with making some flat cars. So just want to do a quick experiment to see how this would work. It works just fine. You could put these trucks on virtually anything you want to. Anyway, it was just a quick experiment that worked. It's really simple. It only took a minute to make this. So it's unique, if nothing else. Anyway, it was just a fun experiment, so I just wanted to do a video on it. You never know until you try. So, like I said, an interesting experiment. So, just took a mailing tube, poked a couple holes in it, used the paper joiners to put couplers and 4-wheel trucks on it, and you have rolling stock, and you can do this to virtually anything. Like I said, I'm going to make some flat cars, so I'll do a video on that. But I just want to do a quick video on this. It's fun. It's always entertaining to see what you can make out of junk. And this was a 5-minute job, and like I said, I just wanted to see if it would work, and it does. So you can put trucks on almost anything and make it into a piece of rolling stock. So just a quick video. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email, BENZTRAINZ@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.